The video you are watching right now of a person speaking is completely synthetic. The physical human being whose likeness you see on screen is actually miles away, nowhere near a camera. Removing the physical requirement to set up lights, balance microphones, and record multiple takes allows you to produce educational modules, sales pitches, and storytelling content at an unlimited scale. By the end of this video, you will capture your own baseline footage, train a hyper-realistic digital twin using HeyGen, and deploy your custom avatar. You will do this from start to finish with absolutely no video editing experience required. Maintaining a deep connection with your audience usually requires hundreds of hours of manual production. Operating an accurate AI clone lets you preserve your authentic personal branding while completely bypassing the recording process. Step 1 is capturing your baseline training data. You need exactly 15 seconds of footage. Set up in a space with clean lighting, a neutral background, and maintain a consistent frame throughout the clip. This animated diagram highlights the specific nodes of microexpressions the AI tracks. To train the model, you must deliver an unscripted physical performance. Use natural hand gestures, let your eyes dart, and tilt your head normally. Reading rigidly from a script produces stiff, unusable avatars. Once your 15 seconds are recorded, open HeyGen, navigate to the Clone a Real Person module, and upload your baseline footage directly into the system. Before the platform processes your file, it requires a mandatory webcam verification. You will be prompted to read a unique passcode live on camera to prove you are the actual person in the uploaded video. This strict biometric verification process ensures individuals can only clone themselves. It acts as the foundational security layer to protect your personal brand from unauthorized deepfake generation. The AI will automatically pull a still frame from your footage, which often catches an awkward mid-sentence expression. You solve this by selecting Change Base Look and uploading a separate high-quality photo of yourself with a locked-in, neutral expression. With your baseline expression fixed, you can use the Scene Elements feature. This tool functions as a programmatic wardrobe and set design studio, allowing you to manipulate your environment entirely through text. This flowchart shows how the system splits your base text prompt into 3 distinct visual parameters. To generate a specific aesthetic, you type a prompt that defines the lighting scheme, the wardrobe item, and the background environment. For example, you can instruct it to show you in a workwear jacket, inside a podcast studio, illuminated by dramatic purple lighting. The platform will output multiple visual interpretations of your prompt. You review these aesthetic remixes and select the exact combination that fits your brand. Generating your environment through text permanently decouples your content from the physical constraints of expensive studio rentals and complex lighting setups. A realistic visual model requires an equally realistic acoustic profile. Standard text-to-speech models output flat, robotic tones that ruin the illusion of a digital twin. The most direct way to solve this is to record a high-quality audio file of yourself reading the final script and upload it into HeyGen. This bypasses the AI generation entirely and ensures the emotion is distinctly yours. These waveforms illustrate voice mirroring. The variable bottom wave captures your live pacing and vocal inflections from a basic microphone, replacing rigid text-to-speech. The engine maps this dynamic acoustic data onto your digital twin, forcing mouth movements to perfectly align with the audio spikes. Capturing and applying these acoustic micro-inflections is the critical dividing line between an uncanny robotic proxy and a trusted, hyper-realistic digital twin. Select the Avatar 5 motion engine in your settings. This specific model guarantees the most lifelike body movements and precise lip syncing available. This schematic shows a common green screen failure. Without contrast, the AI struggles to find the boundary, causing the mask to tear. To fix this, maximize the contrast ratio. Lighting the subject differently than the backdrop provides a razor-sharp boundary for the AI to trace. With your mask clean and settings dialed in, you lock your finalized avatar, custom voice, and generated background into a single, reusable project template. You can immediately deploy this template for corporate and sales workflows. By feeding different recipient names and company details into the script, you can execute rapid, highly personalized video email outreach at scale. For educational workflows, you pair your locked avatar template with your instructional slide decks. Placing an engaging human face alongside the data maintains viewer retention across long-form training modules. Establishing these locked templates transforms video production from a bespoke physical craft into a highly scalable, automated software output. This generated video is the final product. Notice the flawless lip sync, the natural fluid motion of the body, and the highly accurate voice delivery. Individuals and brands can now maintain absolute visual and vocal consistency across an entire content library, removing the requirement to be physically present for every minute of video produced. To continue mastering new workflows and AI strategies, subscribe to the channel. This will surprise you. Leave a comment below with which AI tools you want to see covered next, and like this video so we can keep producing cinematic AI tutorials for you. By transitioning from physical recording to automated output, you move from a process defined by manual labor to one driven entirely by the speed of your ideas.